Welcome, here I've got MOTOROLA Moto E7i Power, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open more advanced camera settings. Here we have to focus on Save Settings category. At the second position now we have GPS location info option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on also the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it we have to tap to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our picture. Let's move to the right corner and pick info. Now at the last position we have See Location option, so when we pick it we get quick access to Google Maps and we can check the full address at the map. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.